Is the Bluetooth option grayed out on your Xiaomi phone? No need to panic. This could be due to hardware issue or temporary software glitch. You can try the solutions to fix it. Before that, make sure there's no hardware issues with your phone. To confirm this, open your phone settings. Tap About Phone, scroll down, and tap Detailed Info and Specs. Scroll down again, and tap on Kernel Version a few times. Usually tapping 5 to 6 times is enough. After that, you will enter CIT or Hardware Test Mode. In here, find Bluetooth and tap on it. Now a hardware test will start and it will tell you if there is any issue with your Bluetooth. Once you're done here, go back and select Bluetooth Scan this time. Check if Bluetooth Scan is fine or not. If you see hardware issues with one of them or both of these features, you will need to take your phone to the nearest Xiaomi support center for help. They will help you fix the issue. But if there isn't any hardware issue, the problem may be with the software. So try out the advanced solutions to fix the problem. Solution 1. Restart everything. Swipe down from the top right from your phone. This will open the control center. Toggle on airplane mode for 10 seconds. After that, toggle it off. Now give your phone a restart. A simple restart can fix temporary system glitches. Once the phone restarts, check your issue. Solution 2. Clear your Bluetooth cache and data. If it's a Bluetooth specific glitch, you can clear its data to fix it. To do this, open Settings, scroll down to Apps, and tap on it. Select Manage Apps, now search Bluetooth. Once you find it, tap on it. After that, tap Force Stop and confirm the action. This will close Bluetooth in the background. After that, tap Clear Data and select Clear Cache and confirm the action. Once that's done, tap Clear All Data and confirm your choice. This will delete all your Bluetooth data and hopefully fix any related glitches. Now check if your problem is fixed or not. Solution 3. Reset network settings. If none of the previous solutions worked, then resetting the settings may help. Open the Settings app, go to your phone settings, then tap on More Connectivity options. Scroll down and tap on Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks, and Bluetooth. Then tap on Reset Settings and confirm your action. This will not delete your phone data, but it will reset your Wi-Fi password, your mobile data settings, and Bluetooth connections. So after this is done, your Bluetooth problem should be fixed. So that's how you can fix the Bluetooth option being grayed out on your Xiaomi phone. Let me know if these steps worked out for you or if you need any more help.